안녕하세요. I'm preparing steamed Seabass. So Seabass here, I put the lemongrass at the bottom. So other ingredients, I'm going to use the ginger, coriander, garlic. As a chili, this is optional. Now I'm going to make the sauce. Very simple. What we need is a sugar. I'm gonna add a bit of sugar. Bit of salt, soy sauce, and some water. And then here I'm gonna add the white pepper. Oil. Okay. You can use a saucepan small pot to heat this up, but today I'm going to use the microwave to heat this up because the gas stove is very full, very crowded today. Seabass, remove unpleasant fishy smells. When I steam, I add some ginger like this, like a futon. Then I'm gonna pour the Shaoxing wine, cooking wine, then steam. How long we steam the fish, it depends on the size of fish. So today, this one is a quite small size, so I'm gonna steam about 10 minutes. So you prepare steamer. So now I'm going to steam the fish, the Seabass, this one. But I sprinkle a bit of Shaoxing wine, cooking wine, Chinese wine. So going to steam about 10 minutes. So I steamed the fish for about 10 minutes now. So here, and then I'm gonna remove this ginger on top because we don't need this one, and then also the lemongrass at the bottom here. So just to remove everything, and then also I pour out the juice here because that one is a bit smelly, so you can remove it. And then now what I'm going to do now here is I'm heating up the oil. So I'm going to pour over the oil above the fish. So, and then also I heated up this sauce, and then the ginger and coriander, and then leeks. First, I'm going to put this ginger on top of the fish. So you just sprinkle over the fish. That's one. I forgot to remove one slice here, so just remove it. Leek as well. I'm going to put over here. And then coriander, I'm gonna add it on later. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour over this sauce. I'm going to add coriander. If you don't like coriander, this aroma, you can omit. But however, I really love it. So, and then if you add some green on top of it, visually really beautiful, and then it's a boost appetite. So today I'm going to show you how to make the steamed Seabass. It's a Cantonese food recipe, nothing with a Korean. However, this one is delicious and my favorite. So hope you enjoyed watching the cooking video today. If you have any questions, please leave the comments. Thank you. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.